Hi friends, for Math Journal today, you're going to need your count and compare domino sheet. Now, you actually have two of these. So we're going to look for the one that says color the domino side that is greater. You have two domino sheets. So we're doing today the one that says color the domino side that is greater. All right, friends, now I'm going to remember that the first thing I do is always the same. Look at the top and write my name. All right, now let's look at these directions again. It says count each side of the domino, write the number, color the domino side that is greater. All right, friends, so I'm going to look. I have 1, 2. I'm going to write the number 2 around and back across the railroad track. 2, 2, 2. On the other side, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to make his hat, make his back, make his chubby belly fat. All right, now I'm going to get a crayon, and I need to color the side that is greater. I'm going to pick a light color crayon. I'm going to pick an orange so that I can see it. So I'm going to color the side that is greater. 5 is greater than 2, so I'm going to color my domino side that has 5. Let's do one more together. Ready? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I'm going to make a circle, then a line. That's how you write the number 9. Now look here, I have 0. Okay, so again, I'm going to color the domino side that is greater. So 9 is greater than 0. I'm going to color the side that has 9. Now, when I am all done, I'm going to glue this into my math journal. Okay, friends, please bring this with you at the end of the day for science. Mrs. Newlands and I will see you soon.